How to turn on developers mode on Android. Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to turn on developers mode on Android. You need to first go to your settings. Once you open up your settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find About Phone. In some phones you can find the About Phone option at the very top. On mine it's at the bottom. Now from here all you have to do is click on the software information button. And once you get here, you will be able to see your software information. So I'm using a Samsung phone currently. So I have the One UI version 6.1, I have Android 14, and if you scroll down, you'll find the build number. So keep tapping on the build number for a few times, and it will show you how much closer you're being to being a developer. So just keep tapping on it. Now you're just gonna have to provide PIN to your phone, and once you have provided the PIN, your developer's mode will now be enabled. So you can go back, and then right at the bottom, you'll find an extra option, developers option. You can just tap on it and you can change different kind of settings here. So what I like to do is change my animation scale. So I always keep this to 0.5 so that it shows me faster animations. So this is the thing that I like to do. So if I just change these, I'm able to get a smoother animation. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.